Hi, my name is Joanna. I have a cooking demonstration for you this time. I'm on a low protein diet because of a condition called homocystinuria. And I have some cheesy broccoli rice that I got off of a site called Cambrooke. The diet is low protein and high calorie. So just the opposite of what most people eat. The rice is already cooked. I measured everything out for interest of time. And right now I am adding in, so we have knifer, 22 grams of butter, and in the sauce packet, well, I forget, I'm remembering, whatever the heck it is, nice to know. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, this is the sauce packet that's already pre-measured. So most of these things are kind of like top ramen because of the packaging, and rice already comes mixed in. So this is all powder, everything we get here, except for the rice. And after that, I have 162 grams of the the So Delicious unsweetened coconut milk. This is the organic. I'm adding in, and 1¼ ounces of the Miyoko's cheese. Miyoko's is one of the higher protein. This is the lowest one they have, which is about 0.8 grams of protein. And if you're wondering, I'm getting the measurements for the protein off of how much feed, which is a program designed for PKU. And that website we use to track protein. And and there's that. I'm gonna let this cook until it boils down, until everything becomes a sauce, and then I will add the rice back in. So let's see here. So for those who have never seen low protein rice, this is what it looks like. Get rid of the packaging. And this is the sizing of the packaging. This we pay $10.49 for, and it's just the rice and the powder. Everything else we bought from the store. This food is designed for a low protein diet because we need a low protein diet to be able to survive. Without this diet, many of us would have strokes, heart attacks, seizures, vision issues. We could lose our hair, and many other side effects. Bones are another one. And let's see. Since this is going to be a while before this cooks, I'm gonna I can come back, or I'll just let it go for right now. And thank you for your time.